Today, let's draw a flower, or fiore in Italian. I'm Amy. Let's begin by drawing the center of the flower. This is a round circle. Now we're going to draw some petals. So take your marker or your pencil or whatever you're using and just make these shapes like I'm doing here. Keep going around until you finish the whole head of the flower. Good! If I'm going too fast, you can pause the video. Let's count the petals that we've drawn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to draw the stem. So start at the top and draw lines down. Now what else? Oh yes, we need to draw the leaves of the flower. 1 and 2. Okay, now for the flower pot. We're going to draw a nice long line. So draw right here along the bottom. Good. And then draw another line underneath that. Then 2 shorter lines on the side to connect them. Okay, now we need to draw a diagonal line. This is the base of the flower pot. And the same on the other side. And let's join the 2 lines together. Great, I love this part. With a thick black marker, let's outline our picture. Hey, let's speed this part up.
Let's play a game, a happy sound. Time to get up and jump around. Jump, jump, jump like a bouncy ball.
Now let's color. The first color I'm using is yellow, or as we say in Italian, giallo. For the colors of the petals, I've decided I'm going to use purple. In Italian we say viola. So very carefully, begin by drawing the outline of the border of the petals. Okay? Nice strokes. Now I'm using markers, but you can use paint, coloring pencils, crayons, whatever you like. So we've done 3 petals already. Let's do the 4th one here. Okay. Good.
Now let's sweep on tippy toes, quiet as a mouse.
This is the 5th one.
Here we go.
Oh no, my marker is starting to finish. Oh, I hope I have enough marker to get to the end of coloring all the petals. Come on, marker, keep going. And the last one. Okay. Good, now we've finished it. Yes, brilliant. Okay, now we're going to do the stem and the leaves. And we're going to color them green. In Italian, green is verde. So we do one leaf, and now the other one. Good. Now, the plant pot. I'm going to use 2 colors. The first color is red. Or in Italian, we say rosso. So again, I start by doing the borders and then coloring the inside. It's easier that way. And the next color is blue. Or in Italian, we say blue. Okay, so go up and down, nice long strokes. Very good. You can use any color you like to color the pot. Great, we finished! See you next time!